Hello guys and good morning. Today I'll be showing to you quickly how to remove these small trims on this Velar left side door. So as we can see, I have already outlined these yellow lines. This is to indicate where is the fixing clips that you really need to be very careful when trying to remove them. Okay, so the tools that we will be needing is either a flat screwdriver just to get inside between this plastic trim and the door panel, or actually this one that has got a sharp edge. So okay, to begin we'll be just using this plastic trim remover. As you can see, I have already highlighted where are the fixing clips possibly are, just to avoid when trying to insert this plastic trim remover between the plastic trim and this door panel. Okay, just gently insert it. Yep, it comes out. That's one fixing clips, and then we move in here. Let's try to, yep, again, yep. And with these two fixing clips in here, they are mainly in the middle. So it's once this side is already off, so we can just gently take that off, both sides, up and bottom. And there you go. So that's the trim panels. Yep, not broken.